Yes, actually, let's go explore. This guy doesn't even know I'm here. Oh dang! Oh dang! Run! Run! He saw us! He saw us! I've been watching out here, and he hasn't done anything, because I came back after he ran. He's in there. Who knows what he's up to? Oh, look, a bat! You might ask what just happened. Well, the dude saw me again. He just won't give it up. It's so fun to spy him. It's like he's